So guys, this is what I bought from the market. Yes, I first went to get this one, but the shop that I bought this one didn't have conditioner, so I went ahead to another shop to get conditioner. But I'm going to insert the video of the fake one that they gave me before I went back to go and get this one. So this is the original. And if you're buying things now, if you're in Nigeria and you are buying things now, be very careful, because they are people are desperate. They want to make money, and then they sell fake things to you at the same price as the original. So be careful out there. When I came back and I noticed that I checked immediately and I saw that even when they gave me in the shop, I was feeling somehow. I was feeling like this thing doesn't look like what I am used to. So immediately I just rush inside, and this is the old thing of the old one, and I discovered that the name and everything was not the same. So I had to go back. The man didn't even argue. He just said he doesn't want problem and he cannot talk too much, so he's going to give me my money. So I got these face black peel off mask. I want to try it and see. Then it was two. I got this two, this Dove. This for soft smooth skin. I got this two, but I've already opened one. Then this body spray vanilla, I like it. I got so many other things, but I've already, like my attachment that I want to use for my hair, I've already given it to the girl that was the salonist that's going to make my hair, so it's already in her place. So this is what I got from the market. So even if it's not hair product, anything you want to get at all, be careful. Make sure that you check it very well. If possible, go with your old container or old pack, so that you will not be cheated. So thank you. I'm going to cook some of the food that I bought from the market. I bought some food stuff and I want to make stew, so I'm going to cook them. See you guys when I see you. Let's go and cook. I bought this mega growth too, because I didn't see any of the conditioner that I was using, so I ended up buying this mega growth. I want to try it. I hope it's good like the ones I've used before, but I know definitely before it's finished I'm going to get another one. So this is my tomato. I want to make stew, tomato and this pepper. I don't know how they used to call it again. This is it. This tomato is 1,000 naira, and then the here is 1,000. So I'm going to put it on fire now.
고민이 생겼니? 초등학교 영어 수업 시간에 배웠었던 현재 진행형 같아. 하루에 10번 내 맘이 움직여. 이상하고 아름다운 느낌이 좋아. 걱정되고 보고 싶은 이런 기분은 현재 진행형. 사실은 나도 뭐가 뭔지 잘 모르겠어. 어쩌다 우리 여기까지 알 수 없는 비동사 플러스 ing LOV를 붙여보면 사랑인 것 같고 say goodbye를 붙여보면 헤어질 것 같아서 ing just ing 내 맘은 아직 ing 비동사 플러스 ing LOV를 붙여보면 사랑인 것 같고 say goodbye를 붙여보면 헤어질 것 같아서 ing just ing 내 맘은 아직 ing One, two, three, four. One, two, three. 너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고 고민이 생겼니 초등학교 영어 수업 시간에 배웠었던 현재 진행형 같아 하루에 10번 내 맘이 움직여 이상하고 아름다운 느낌이 좋아